Hey everybody, I'm Genia from Zakka Workshop, and we're really happy to be a part of E.E. Schenk's 2022 Trends Show. I have a book I want to introduce to you all that is available through E.E. Schenk now for pre-order. It is a November pub. It is a sewing pouch book that comes with zippers as well. There are 14 projects in the zipper pouch book, and you can use any of the zippers that come in the back of the book for any of the projects. They are 8-inch zippers. They're really cute. Some have hoops. There's a metal zipper. They're in bright colors. And we also have extra zippers that are launching at the same time that will be available as well, and I'll show you those in a minute. I'm going to show you some of the projects in the book. We just have a couple of them out here so you can see them. And yeah, so there's an assortment of cute little projects like these little pencil cases, and the box. We have boxes. This is a boxy pouch. It's a square. These are more of a rectangular boxy pouch. Then we have kind of like your classic flat pouch, which has like a little wristlet attachment that you can add if you want. Yeah, so you can check them out. There's other cute projects in the book as well. And we'll also have a flip through of the book up on the site, so you can check out the pages as well. And just to give you a sense of the extra zippers that can be ordered, we have a bunch of colors: pink and baby blue and mint and gray and white and navy and red, and they have a lot of the cute hoop. We have cute hoop zips. There's the metal zips are also available. All of the zippers in the book are 8-inch. You can get all the 8-inch ones at E.E. Schenk. And we also have 9-inch and 16-inch available for other projects that are not in the book. But any of the projects in the book use an 8-inch. If you have any questions about the book or ordering, please ask your E.E. Schenk rep. And also know that this book is a part of the show special, so there's an extra discount if you pre-order it through the show. And thank you so much for watching.